This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, some Meeden White paint mixed with Floetroland Gac 800, and a desire to do something simple with a fairly simple color palette. I'm hoping will work. I want a general wet layer of paint on the canvas. Not too much. Just enough would be good. If I have any odd little things in there, I'll try and find my tweezers. I'm going to use Prizm Pour paints from Colour Arte and Primary Elements Pigment powders mixed with Vivid Polypore and Vivid Enamel, also from Colour Arte. And there is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video directly. I don't know if that's exactly enough, but a little extra never hurt anybody. It's not like I'm pouring it away. No offense meant to those of you who do. It's just paint after all. I should have called my Fluid Art channel the Paint Saver channel or some such nonsense. Alright, that's going in the bucket. This is my... I noticed the colors that really pop the most are the ones that go on top of the other colors. So I'm going to use Frosted Berry as a base layer. And try a few tricks. I'm going to use Cosmos, which is a color shifting pink, which is very similar, initially at least. Want to have enough paint. I've got some ginger flower, which I absolutely love. I'm thinking about grabbing the boysenberry or maybe the pink carnation. I think the pink carnation would be... Let's just start here. It's time to make up some more ginger flower. I fell right hard in love. Used a bunch of it. I've got some Carnival. I love Carnival. I might want to put a little bit of white. Let's see. I'm looking for... I put it away. I am looking for the Chantilly lace. I don't think I can keep the pink from showing through, so no matter what, I'll be happy about that. Which leads me to think I want to share pink space with some Indian Spice Gold, which is a new hidden treasure, or what is it, metallic treasures? I'm not sure. Antique treasures? Antique metals? I think that's it. Alright, so is it last but not least? We don't know yet. There's my Carnival. Now the first color that I put down on a paddle, or whatever swipe tool I'm going to use, is the one that will show up. Actually, is it? It's the last one. It's going to be the bottom one, and the first one is going to be the one to show up. So I'm going to try a couple of different things, starting with a beveled card. And put some Aussie Floetrol on there. And some of my ginger flower Floetrol on there. And some of the white Aussie Floetrol on there. And I'll let some of that go right off. I'll be able to grab that again. Pretty sure. If I wanted a super simple color palette, yep, I'm going to be able to scoop that right up. Kind of wish I'd gone the other way so I could flip it. Now what did I start with? I'm loving those cells. I want to just drag that down there right now. And I'm going to go back to it again. I go black, ginger flower, and white. If there's too much, let it run off. I'll use it in a moment. I have just enough paint on my base layer. A little more might not have hurt anything. I think I'm going to use a little more gold. I'm going to use what I've got in my dish and add a little P.E.s iridescent gold to it. Because having it be juicy is definitely the trick to know how to do to get the cells. And they are coming up. Just utilizing my card. My puddles of paint. I may waggle a skewer through too. It's not impossible. I like that little heart in there. I might want to put some gold in there. I should probably not be using the cell activator gold though. I do like the way it looks though. If it dendrites, that's alright too. Let's do it again. A little black. I've got some P.E.s blue violet that I want to try. And just to be safe, I'll use the ginger flower too. Because I'm confident that I can let it fall off the card and then pick it up again. I'm going to go down. Right down here. I kind of missed my bottom. I don't mind a little odd texture now and again. I keep wondering if I'm going to do orange, but I think if I do anything, it's going to be spirals and maybe some more gold. Yeah, definitely the spirals. So I've got one more place to do this. I think I'm going to try and put it on the opposite side. Even though it's going to get my fingers very painty. Got a little bit of cell activator left. I'd kind of like some of this over there. And then put a few more spirals in and call it good. And some waggles. I said I was going to waggle and waggle. Waggle I will. Because I like waggles. Hopefully my head is not too much in the way. Oh, that jumped me. I gotta unplug that one of these days. I keep thinking I'm going to use it though. I remember now, I like dotting these. I like the odd white spiral too, that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. That's an idea whose time has come. Just steal some paint from right next door and load it on the dull end of a skewer. Do I put some more gold on? I think I kind of like it just the way it is. Although I really do like the dots from the bottom, doesn't bother me a bit either. I don't think some black dots would hurt anything, to tell you the truth. What have I got left in my dish? Might as well use it up, right? I'm getting no spirals over here. I like that a lot. It's definitely a fairly simple color palette that if you've got pinks, you're in like Flynn. There, I'm showing my edge. I used to love that. I'm going to push that over the edge. I'll probably black my edges, is what I'm thinking. I'm going to quick like a bunny give you a shimmer test. Oh boy, those are gorgeous. Wow. I'm glad I did this. I think this is something I'm really good at, this style. I'm going to break up that hard line in there. Up and down. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. I know I'm not there yet. I think I'm done and I say so and then I'm wrong. Definitely think I could have put more gold in, but I didn't. If I'd prepared a little dish ahead of time, I'd be using it now. So maybe it's okay. But I didn't look at those cells. Wow. Let's go right in there. Isn't that gorgeous? Hee-haw! Look at that sparkle. That is something. Love, love, love. Simply classic. Classic. Classic swipe. Bloom swipe. Alright. I'm not seeing that I'm in focus, and I hope that doesn't mean I was out of focus the whole time. Let's just go like this. So you guys, thank you for the comments, your kind words, and your compliments. Keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that helped keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate that, because painting has turned out to be my therapy. I'm going to definitely contemplate what to do with the edges. I'm not tired of looking at this sparkle at me yet. Don't forget the 20% off coupon code underneath the video. There's I'm a Colour Arte affiliate, so if you shop Colour Arte products, you help me out. And same thing for what's on the link tree. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos for YouTube, and all the tools and all the processes. What can I tell you? My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com. And if you want to purchase an artwork, or you're interested in information about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, please use that email address. My Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group for Students, and Pinterest are all on the link tree. Spring clothing underneath the video, along with Pixels.com, Fine Art America, and Society 6, as well as Le Gallerist, all offer clothing. And if you can't find what you're looking for, and you'd like to have it added, just ask me and I will do my very best to add it. If I can, I will. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching longer. And Thank you for knowing that there's 2,600 videos, all on playlist, organized by topic and genre. And if you're interested and you can't find what you're looking for, you just have to ask me and I will be happy to let you know. I'm going to take the paint in my dish and cover my edges, I think. So, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you guys. Come back again soon, would you? I post 7 days a week at 3:15 right now. 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If I forgot something, you'll see it in another one. Bye for now. Priscilla out.